With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here's the question. The vertical section of the plant material shows the following anatomical character under the microscope. So we have the mesophyll is differentiated into the palisade, parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma. Bundle, sheath, extension are the parenchymatous and usually stomata are more on the lower surface plant material should be. So we have the option dicot stem and the monocot stem. Now the very important point over here is the stomata. So stomata are found in the leaves. So yes, you can exclude these options, that is the dicot stem or the monocot stem. Neither of them are the option. Now we are left with the dorsiventral leaf and the isobilateral leaf. Dorsiventral leaf, it is found in case of the dicot. Isobilateral, it is found in the case of the monocots. Now the question is saying over here, mesophyll, that the mesophyll is well differentiated into the palisade parenchyma, palisade parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma. Next point over here, bundle, sheath, extension are the parenchymatous and the stomatas are found in the lower surface more. What is the lower surface known as? The lower surface is called as the abaxial epidermis. It is called as the abaxial epidermis. Now the difference over here lie in these 2 points only, because in case of the isobilateral leaf, the mesophyll is not differentiated into the palisade and the spongy parenchyma, and stomatas, they are found in case it is found on the both surfaces, that is the upper and lower. Lower is the abaxial and upper is called as the adaxial surface. The upper is called as the adaxial surface, lower is the abaxial surface. So yes, we are left with the only one option, that is the dorsiventral leaf. So this is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.